Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a really cool magic trick. So take a look at this coin. It's a real coin. I'm going to put it here, make the coin disappear. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's gone. Now I can make the coin reappear as well. So let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. It's back. One more time. Abracadabra. It's gone. And again, hocus pocus. And the coin is back again. I like you all very much. I'm going to share my secret with you all. I'm going to share my secret. And what you need to make this magic trick is a piece of paper like this, and you also need a glass. Now we're going to put the glass on the paper. We're going to draw around the glass with a pencil, and then we need to cut out the circle from the paper. So here's one I made earlier. Then we need to take our glass. We need to put a little bit of glue around the rim of the glass. Just a little bit of glue around here. And then we're going to stick our disc of paper on top of the glass. Let me show you. There we go. We stick it on top like this. So this is the secret to our trick. So as you can see on this glass, the paper's stuck to the bottom, and all you have to do is hold your hands around the glass like this. You can say a magic word, hocus pocus, abracadabra, and ta-da! The coin has disappeared. Thank you very much for watching my magic trick, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye bye everybody.